Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. As you know, in this video I will show you what I will show you. Please guess what I will show you. I will show you a Holochain coin price predictions. What's the change goes and Holochain? What's the high price of Holochain? What's the current status of Holochain in the cryptocurrencies markets? A lot of people said that's Holochain, Holochain, Holochain. What's Holochain? In this video, I will show you Holochain. The power of Holochain I will show you in this video. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel friends, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of interesting videos and urgent news. I told you that I will upload only urgent news which are very necessary for all of cryptocurrencies holders. So please subscribe my channel for this kind of urgent news. Okay, let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. As you can see on the screen friends, that is the last 1 hour price prediction. Oh my god, what's this? Bring me a cup of tea, because the change is negative and my brain is stopped working. So bring me a cup of tea. That is why, because the change is negative. Oh my god, it's negative 2.11%. Oh, unbelievable chance occur in the Holochain. Oh my goodness, that will make me mad in this month, because the change is a very bad occurs in the Holochain. If you look the high price, is that a high price friends? Tell me, is it a high price? No, it's not a high price. They are very low price of a Holochain in the last 1 hour. $0.019735. Is it a high price? Yes, that is a very high price. You are a blind man? That is a high price friends. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Holochain. What's the change goes in a Holochain? As you know, as you can see on the screen, that is a Holochain price. Friends, I feel like the currently change occur in the Holochain, so that will make me happy this time. When a lot of people see this kind of change, they will say, "Oh, my coin is just start jumping. Oh, my god, it start jumping." Everyone said that my coin start jumping. Oh, but we can't see this kind of change. We can't say the change is negative, but as we can see this kind of change. Oh, my coin starts jumping. My coin starts jumping. So what's this? Ask them. Tell this. Tell the reality of your coin. Negative 2.11% chance occur in my coin. Tell this. Don't tell that. Oh, my coin starts jumping. Anyways, friends, the last 1 hour price prediction is very bad. Then a whole result is also bad. Now let's see the last 1 day price change occur in a Holochain. Let's see the last 1 day price prediction, man. Oh my goodness. Oh. Bring me a cup of tea. As I told you in the start of this video, because my brain is stopped working. That is why bring me a cup of tea. The change is negative 11.56%. Oh, what's this? As that is a real change? Oh, unbelievable change occur in the Holochain. Negative 1.56% in the last 1 day. Last 1 day change, friends. Oh, here is the surprise. High price. As it a high price? With this kind of change occur in a Holochain, so that is a high price, friends. And locate $0.022032 is the high price. Locate, friends, locate. Now if we look the price prediction chart of the Holochain, so they are fast down, like a rain fast down on the ground. Oh my goodness. And they can take a jump, very small jump, man. I feel like the currently change occur in the Holochain, so absolutely a bad change occur in the Holochain, friends. Anyways, we can't do anything at this time, because the change is negative, and they are also a negative, always a negative. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 day, last 1 hour, if you are a holders, that I'm not a financial advisor, but my suggestion for all of you that if you are a holder, so please hold your coin, because now they are also in the falls, they are also in the lows. When they start explosion, the big I listen that a big explosion of oil chain coming after a 5th April, 15 April. So wait for it, for this big explosion, and hope they will make you a millionaire this hour. What's your opinion about Holochain? Please share in the comment box and remember to subscribe every Tech Chain for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much.